Hey guys, Happy New Year. I'm here to kind of talk a little bit about New Year's resolutions. What we tend to see is people start off the year, they have great goals in mind, they look at how they're going to do this summer, whatnot, a little bit down the road, vacations, and so they kick off the new year with a lot of steam. But as we know, those things are somewhat hard to sustain, so we'll oftentimes see people start to lose some of those goals. I'm going to come with you a couple tips. One of the big things, we want people to think of more of a lifestyle change rather than a resolution. One of the biggest things I've always talked to with people I've worked with is I've recommended keep your goals and your workouts attainable for a busy day, a day that you have plenty of time on your hands. What tends to happen is people start off, they might hit a mile or two on a run and they feel pretty good. So they start to up it, and that's a great thing. They think, wow, I'm getting 2, 3 miles, 4 miles, 5 miles, and they start to really set that level high. So one of the big things I've always recommended is try to get a workout that you know your body got good exercise and maintain that on a more regular basis. If you start setting the goal too high, as soon as you don't have time that day, as soon as you don't have the energy that day, you're going to let it go. And that's the worst thing you can do, is break the pattern. So if we could stay on a regular basis type of pattern, more about the long term rather than a short burst, you're going to see that's going to impact your health a whole lot more. Think of it as a mindset, as a lifestyle change, and as you guys know, we've really focused on fitness, wellness. If you look around the office here, this is a newly expanded office. A large part of what we added has been more rehab room. We want to see people's bodies are balanced, stable, and ready to go for those workouts. But biggest thing you can do is set up with a mindset of doing it for a long period of time rather than just short bursts and fizzling out. Happy New Year. Let us know if we can help. Thanks.